Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Good morning. It's 6:09 here in the Republic of Ireland. A bit early, so I greet you all, and I hope you guys have a lovely night. You guys slept well. You guys are doing great. Good morning to everybody. One is hearting up. As I'll be going back to bed myself to sleep, But for people like us who like peace of mind. Good morning, Lovette. How your name carry weight. Good morning, anyway, Lovette. We love our peace of mind. People like us that understand that there is other ways you can actually make money, and it doesn't matter how little it is, as far as you are comfortable. You just had enough. You just had enough. Because life is for the living. Because when you look around today, you just realize that sometimes we seem to forget, we as human beings, that vanity upon vanity is all vanity. In the case of our brother Dr. Oguname, you can use that to say, can you imagine? Maybe that brother maybe has mansion back home. Who knows what type of investment he has back home. But today is normal. It has been buried. It has gone underground. So as a human being, if you just look at yourself and say, one day I'll be under, I'll be like, become a dust. I'll be underground. If you look at yourself like that, you just try as much as you can to respect others and treat people well, because, what is the point of destroying yourself on social media and can just be simple because of money? Imagine taking somebody else a private audio that get to do with her and her spouse. You didn't, without their permission, just to in the name of your mind, thinking with that audio you can humiliate them, and you took the audio to pay show, use it to make money. That is how people cause problem for themselves. So you didn't take their permission, you used to make money. There are some people that will use their private whether pictures or whatever to pay show to make money. They will vow to themselves that whenever or wherever they jammed you, that money we are going to cough it out. As far as they did not give you that permission to do such thing, you are coughing it out big time. For they have enough evidence they have gathered, because police will come. Yeah, we live in Europe. Police will come. They can be able to say, this is what happened. This is what happened. We are coughing that money out. Police will settle the matter. Everybody will go home. And whenever I jam you again, we will still fight. Police will come again. You see? So it's good sometimes to use your hand to buy peace for yourself. When some people they don't want peace for themselves, they want problem. A problem they shall get. You understand? So anything. He says there was a work yesterday. I saw some videos, some Edo women, kind of talking, hey, yeah, our friends say make she come pay money, or our friend blah blah blah, those kind of talk. But the thing is this: if you are an Edo person, in fact, if you are not an Edo person, you understand English sometimes when they are using English to do their show. Those two women, you have seen their activities over the years on social media, the way they have bullied people and see all sorts of things on people on social media, intimidate people and harass people and the rest of it. Now that these two people are the ones dragging themselves to solicitor or lawyer or Anthony or whatever you call it, there's all sorts of litigation, paying money left, right, and center. These people will still come on social media asking for you guys some money for them to pay their lawyer, or for them to take lawyer, or for them to whatever. If you are a responsible man or woman, you should not even listen to that video, not to talk of you sending money to any one of them. Are you mad? Are you stupid? It's different. Maybe in a situation that somebody is sick. That person is sick, for example. Even though if you are sick in Europe and you are an Aduro person, you stays in Aduro house, you are still entitled to free medical treatment. Not to talk of someone that has been in Europe for years, you now happen to have documents. You are entitled to free medical treatment. So that person should not come on social media. Unless that person have organization, maybe have something like foundation, or you just want to put account there and say, oh yeah, may una bless me. Not like this. When these two people have bullied people, it's like they are using you guys, both of them, these two women. They are using you guys that they will call you guys big names. Pillar supporter, pillar supporter, pillar supporter, lovers, pillar supporter. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? How many times have they sent money to your account? Imagine all those bad things that they have done on social media over the years. Now, two of them are the one dragging themselves now. It's not even the people that they have bullied that even dragging them yet. It's two of them, right? And the same two people will now come on social media, pillar supporters, want to drain your money from you. Now, juju that they put from out. Now, you won't go pay for their lawyer, but they want to go court. What they concern you for the matter? You not get what you want to use your money to. No. You should not help them with a dime. If you want peace to come to social media, before you come social media, come open your mouth. Talk what the person no do for your body. For the person husband body, for the person wife body, for the person children body. Now, you go no see you get money for lawyer. When they don't see, say, nobody they give anybody money for lawyer. Now you go face on yourself. Go work hard, pay for your lawyer yourself. Then people will start to behaving right on social media. I'm telling you this. People will change their attitudes. They will change their behaviors. The way they don't get what to talk about for social media, they will get in. But not be better. I just sleep. You go sleep. I see on side or have here. I understand. A lawyer they be cut in normal total love your bed the over here. I see my ear cut well maladen with live video. Say you day your bed is sleep. If you are a responsible adult man or woman, you want this, social media to be, to be at peace. You want people to be responsible for once. You see some people now, they will come out, they insulting their husband. Why they insult their husband? What their husband do? What are you talking? Her husband is the one helping her to regulate her show, her videos, whatever, whenever she's on live. The man is truly aware. So any man will not want me a wife drag insult call giver. Now the man, the people with they saw the man, not be the man go talk to. Now the wife will they invite that insult. Now the man go caution. Not be people with they outside. The man go caution the wife. But once the wife don't responsible, nobody will just carry go. It not gonna happen. It's impossible. It not gonna happen. Okay. So when people will come out and start tarnishing the names of others, defaming their character, assassinating their character. Then we go look for trouble and start begging money on social media to clear their mess. What a shame to the donor. Absolutely. It's shocking the way they are using their what's so called pillar supporters. Naming nation. People should stop that nonsense. Go and stop that crap. You know? Why do you have to be a follower of your fellow women in stupidity, in misbehaviors, bullying? What the hell is that? Why can't you be a follower of good things? These are the people that will sit on social media. Okay, the other day now, these our brothers that have been trying to caution Murphy Face over the years. They came out with an account number. So, okay, let us donate here to, for a good cause. Some people come out and they were speaking jargons. Okay? These people, that is for, there is no for lawyer for bully or whatever. So you have these two women on social media that continuously and still bullying people that have several fake accounts. I mean, several fake accounts. If you both of them to come out and swear with everything that is dear to them, they don't have fake accounts that use it to bully other people. They can't. They are still doing it. And they will not come out asking you for your hard-earned money for them to go and use to pay their litigation attorney. Let them go to court. Let them pay for their lawyer. Let them pay all their expenses themselves. Let them go and borrow money for credit union. Let them go and take a loan for bank. Let them add more hours to their hours. Let them go and sell anything that they have to fight themselves. Let them be the one to pay for their attorney, pay for their lawyers, pay for their solicitor. What the hell? That is the only way people will learn, people. That is the only way people will learn. When they will have litigation left, right, and center, their head go correct that time. Before they go enter social media, can't put their mouth, can't just vie a bomber, put wetin that person not do inside. Cut person body, put wetin not do inside. They go think twice. That is when people will start to act responsible for social media. Right? No way they know say, my mama in Canada, my mama in UK, my mama in enemy, my mama in Nokba. My others are my pillar supporter. They are my lovers. They are my enemy. When they are looking for money to do all that, is they come up with something. Hey, my friend, don't go report me. I need money. What the hell is that? Go and deal with it. We don't care. And no one should care about such nonsense. When they realize that nobody send them, maybe they use their money to Oseka. Maybe they use their money to Zuseka. Yes. They brought it upon themselves. Let them clean their mess out. Your money, your penny should not be part of that mess, that nonsense. Your money should not be part. If you are clever enough, if you know yourself, your money should be part of that rubbish. They succeeded for the past year to divide people on social media, to curve these people to themselves, curve that people to themselves, for them to be able to brainwash the one they can brainwash and manipulate those that they can manipulate to, suck money out of them. How can you sympathize with people with such character? How can you sympathize with them? This is the time they should suffer for all their sin. Not just that. Let them spend money. Then by the time they come out, they will say, that's so case be. See money where I spend. Whether the money is big or small, let them spend it. Make the money come up for their two of their pocket. Make una no sorry for two of them. Don't sympathize with them. Don't help them out with anything, especially in that financial aspect of it. No do one. Let them be the one to the second. Don't join them. Here you know here as the second. Let them come out from their pocket as well. Don't sympathize with them. Don't feel sorry for them. Don't put your money for a second. Don't do that to yourself. If you want peace on social media, you can see that nobody, when people are telling you guys before that, here my debate group or beg anyway, here clean. Nobody what's the nonsense video? What's same journey? You know? Let them be their money to Jigian Zuseka. Don't let your money be part of that such Oseka. Okay? Don't put your money there. If you want two of them to learn, by the time the people where they don't become, where they don't destroy their name, by the time those ones don't start to they bring court letter, they go pay lawyer money tire. Whether the case can go as go letter, please, okay, we are zero lawyer. They go pay almost to the lawyer now. They go pay lawyer money. The other one bring court paper. He pay lawyer money. He pay lawyer here or as here. Away in it. Away or to clear. When that the free just start to bash all those man of God that time pastors. When they face litigation, they say me come pay 30 million. Million. Yeah, I need. Yeah, clear. Now if they talk to pastor, now not listen the way they talk. Even himself, he said it. He said he learned in a hard way. Are we not learning in a hard way? You hear this, man? So, my people, please do, if you really want peace on social media, you want people to start acting responsibly. Before they open their mouth and talk, they have to really, filter everything when they come out from their mouth. Come out, you no get filter, it's no good. Somebody called me the other day about this money where they talk. He say, "I will man here do wala why I take gua. We are here do wala I take gua." That is the question. Somebody call you, don't just jump better social media. You go ask where your home you want to go. Yeah, but we are a proof we will not viola don't we or no Larry. No, don't anybody not feel we may prove in the one answer. Well, a long time. A one may prove where me mammy. You understand? So there are things you come on social media now and say. The things that you cannot prove. Mine. Oh, no tiny. Each money you want to be prove it go. We get prove it prove. So we are time when we okay, can only see where one may be prove with yourself. Right? So that is not the case in this day of age now, social media. You have to filter everything that comes out of your mouth. So these two women, they have, now seeing that they are the one dragging themselves left, right, and center to solicitors, to let them go to court. Let them have their day in court. A proof non me against the number of you. A proof in not by me against of you. Let them go to court and talk. They are defending me inside the courtroom. When a judge in your game, now then sabi. You understand? Now then sabi. So when it comes out, they do the case. You people should not put your money to such rubbish. Don't add your money. If you know yourself, do not add your money to such rubbish. Don't. Let them drag themselves to every court. We don't talk about only ask me here. When you are a lawyer, let them pay for it. Wagigo ni lade me ania to be a patient. Somebody, hire a litigation attorney, say, okay, kind of settlement out of court, blah, blah, blah. If you know you have evidence, tell the lawyer, go to court. I'll meet you in court. I know someone on social media that is she's still talking about, as a pastor, she normally talks about anyway. She have a lot of litigations. Even the ones that have the court that they took her to court, like in fact, Martin on Fire took her to court in Nigeria. Defamation of character, all sorts of allegations. So that one they asked her to pay 50 million naira. So the branches in the UK now took the lady to court in the UK there. So she was lucky. So she came up victorious at the end. She was lucky enough. So at that, the reason why she actually won the case, the people in the side of Martin on Fire ministry, is that what it's called, that church there anyway? Those guys made, they made an error for in their submission. So their error now just lead to the reason why the judge struck everything out. Just me on go house. It was in Nigeria, they for made that error. In Nigeria courts now, no say how they operate. So they will still go ahead with this. Excuse me, but because in the UK, the judge was just fed up of such nonsense. That's the reason why the lady won. It was say they will carry the case well. The lady, I didn't even forget. She didn't even have money for the lawyer. She just went to court and represent herself. That is how it is. Because when people come on social media, they don't plan and say case go come. Lawyers are very expensive. They're too dear. Unless you go take, maybe you get a paper, they work, and maybe free legal aids or all those kind of lawyers. But they know those are not who to get time. Like if you take private lawyer, you pay money. Yes, they go really do the job with proper, and that's it. So the thing is this: before you come on social media, come sit down the talk. Wait till your eye no reach. Wait till you know how to take happen. You just want talk. You want get viewers, my dear. They you just get on the back of your mind, say you get money to pay lawyer. This will not be a la will go give the 20,000. Yeah, answer about 10,000. You answer. You go pay lawyer. Each time we lawyer want type document, you go pay. Where anytime where what matter don't enter court, anytime where they want go court, you go pay. So your eye or you clear. Whether you do that one, you go pay or lawyer or if you will go okay. Go no awa asana hina. E kasi na bi atata here we come away me. Just a dimension of every na wa we pay on wa asa wa ba zo seka. Wa hele lian so you push not be part of it. Why real life for why damn you the updates why lawyer behind now why damn you why you okay why laughing face what happen why gear a platform here don't be part of that donation or say no sense video where you go near ya bully ma yeah vasi me you sing me are my game was a lot of no palon people should watch their fights. Why watch it or court? When you are a court, when you are a lawyer, don't put your money to it. We are got a piece with social media now. We are got a woman. We are got a piece with social media now. We are got a piece. Don't put your money to it. Let them be the one to pay for their lawyers. A case here now, when you are to Beyonce, go show. Yeah, if I want to buy. Aha. When you are to Beyonce, go show. Can wear a case here and I can wear. How does this case relate to you? Or sick, why I can wear? I'm not can wear. So that's it. Don't put your money to it. Because when people now realize you where bully for the general public will not be the one to be giving them money for them to be paying for lawyer. They will never stop misbehaving on social media. Cop on. Understand? Stop bosh. So the best thing, let them be the one to spend their money for lawyer. Let them be the one to pay for every oseka that they use their mouth to draw to themselves. Don't be part of it. When they are giving you update, listen. When you have here, over home. Yeah, Tile. Okay, to be as you go. Here the update go where. Oh, wait to sauna. No be me they pay for lawyer. Which I can't tell on inside. When you pay me now, whatever expenses near here face, let them be the one to face it. So other people know your own here. Again, you do ya tie, you go near a lawyer, and when no ho, who ya want to go you may go near as any lawyer beg. I don't know what's happen. No, I know that they will not concern you. I know the social media for now. My what they do here, a topic you may answer. More like a bye bye. That is the only way. I'm telling you, people will learn. That's the only way they will learn. No. Already I don't like where those two people they be una sister. Sister from where? From where? We are not for sister come. You know? Let them pay for their lawyer themselves. That is it. It got absolutely their case. This their case no concern now. You know near where on day. Let them fight themselves, pay for their lawyers, let them go to court, they go enter motor go court, they go buy petrol for a car. My dear, they go buy petrol for a car. Let them spend all the money from their hard-earned money. People should know hard money to eat for them. Are you stupid? What's wrong with your heads? Because giving them every day with such money, it's like you are encouraging their bad behaviors. You are encouraging their bad behaviors on social media. You know? Enigi etiwa ula jamuda wagbon. Uwe dini na hi whereas other fake accounts no ya bully ma. God no go punish you. Come talk am. God no take hinder all your blessings. Will take finish for your pocket. Problem will take finish for your house. You have other fake accounts that use it to bully other people. We are like don't do away, people out here. Nobody yeah, fake account run no ya do kini. No ya tell you normal or not. So that the people not see a question ya gwi manafo with social media. You know? Even though you must say fake account ya praise it, it's okay. If you can be a patient, that's fine. You can do that. A time you cannot praise yourself on your platform in one eye way. But about the way a fancy web. Fine. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, post the picture and when you always do the one to real ego lawyer no way. My man, listen, the only way me I can support somebody when I see that person is sick. Oh, yeah, we not tired. Or maybe one when you see with social media going so or they can't know about if you are our Margarita get a system and I no yeah the pure water. Let them spend their money. Yes. May they pay for everything. What they go wine for? You go second, what do say we but mommy you wow. Ave beggar no rin saple road and why sisa niya so lo ba bless you. Okay, why that be school wa like school pa wa be school lele is our student in river ni. You know? So people man out here is better because you going to say nana nobody will remember you for it. And case not taking your large and the gbe wa say ni. Oh no, you wear was go seka ero. Una you go ni we yan be yin si. Una say yama e ma atahia. Opolo okere people wait to boys we ya present. Last year I went to Nene's primary school. We share a lot of school bus for most of the students there. These are the pictures, these are the videos. Brege egbe mi do ni azi goji. Won hu ni egba wo seka ohin yana. Yeah, but no me one error, but they are using you guys' heads on social media. Yeah, looking for sympathy all the time. Yeah, feel where they're dividing you people. Not inside they're not yeah, we are you gonna he maybe down maybe trust you. Wow, I trust you people, all my mamas. I know soon are they behind me. Can you imagine? Just you know, Since last year, yake si wasage, yake no wairo. For what? They have yamodo. Uno dia one ya wina ne ya mwelo ne ya zoseka. Ya mwelo ya gwe case ne. Ya ke pay only for case of na do over here. They will learn. They know the telepathy. When you can learn, I'm telling you. Look at how bad not you know all that why you know what gwan. A case ne ra me record. 4 good 4 case. Or bad day ne or you go over or whatever. If all the lawyer be when all that do are you no tell ni mama oji agbe we no kajo. So ye court. We ga ye court ne awe o igba no. O in it. Maunia. So if you're doing some walawo, don't let your money be part of such rubbish. Don't donate for any one of them. Do not donate your hard-earned money to any one of them. Imagine why am you go wild? Alright, so when with the man, you know, I want not meet the give me, or the me give me no be me. Apart from that, wabua. Or money be off. Apart from that, what's the nonsense video? Yeah, when I do go again, I know with what social media, I know. Let that be the one when he has to be only on see a while with me. Una wa away me while at ya, utemi yo my good temi, yo my good temi, yo my good, no one is a way. Cause I did cut it, I let work better wa my man. Wokpa mau die. Wokpa ya gwale is a lawyer here. Wokpa ya pay ni lawyer. Nobody. You go know ya like tram me, like train, like bosses say do lawyer or here so. You go know also where I was shopping you that in our man said no we do have social media. Ma understand. No. No. Did the problem say worry how you go our gwale lawyer where no no. Wọ́n face wọ́n mú crossing into boy. Wọ́n sọ wọ́n á tẹ̀ mí sọ kí wọ́n á ta ẹsẹ̀ ó di ìgbé. Wọ́n ẹ̀wẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ́n I don't want go to that level no one in our mind. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. You have to take a case in it up. So you have to crossing into boy. You are know social media. I'm going a lawyer baby you go lawyer. I have to take lawyer. I don't have money. You don't have money. 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 All we not do agbaja school with social media. Wherever money, now your match can that's as auto. So you have money. You have money. Okay. There are people that maybe work at me on social media or maybe me out here. When I hear the like I want to busy. I mean, you know, all the time with social media. That's it. When I feel where every day you come out and start do I tell him, you know, now we must say. So it can make a scenario. Now, don't use your account number. Do your room over social media. Wow. So it make a scenario Ivana when he can't type. I wanna home. If somebody asking money for a good cause, that is a different thing. Our yes, you know, I nego number. Go near Ivana ni wa bully. Yeah, ever give a segme anaya. A lawyer litigation, yeah, again. Yama ye cut iya ye cut in ya yama yaga ye cut banya ewu ma he odogwe ore ye no pa wo me o ye cast o ye no wo ye video no post ye picture no post ye video no ya turn out ye video abi ewu ma bi odogwe o no be so na so the happen e judge be do na ya ebota judge like no ya tana evidence they have to judge has you know although they have do examine ya judge to make a final or to pass a final judgment or not guilty there yeah about guilty o your pa mu ya eva judge the woman do gbu ni do gbu uini ya eva kan ga ilele kan that do ga ari wa understand so why do you wa your evento because you know you made on na Wari who wajo, you guys are giving them, who are harming away, yes. Yeah, me like social media do I buy my own, do I tell you now when I'm say, yeah, got me problem with yeah, one year ba oge, ine, so yeah, I got the loja, whatever no hari lawyer near, bere, igo lawyer na kiya olatia, onaga ya to be a ziruni, a dobe, yeah, can have social media. And that will even serve as a deterrent to others, not just in Yakba, Berenia. So if you were okay, we're on a social media now. Nima Alajando Ate, we wanted people to start acting in a responsible manner, responsible way. This is the time to fold your hands and watch two of them fight. Nia drag a court, court. Let two of them have their day in court. When they are court. You understand? Or me litigation lawyer threatening me. Me na me evidence with we are go. A court can I attack. Oh yes, that dog I talk. Let us go to court. A court I go. Oh, I know what in complainant or defendant. Yeah, va and I go. Your Honor, I have some proof. I have some evidence that she used to bully me, or she used to bully my child, my son. That is the reason why I have to say something back to her too. I have to do this back to her. So it's a tit for tat game. So why they go to why I agree? Already say, I understand. People should go to court. All in the general public, you go to large, no see penny. Why do you go near? Why do you go near? I'm telling you this. Why do you go near? That's the reason why they keep misbehaving. You have to wear my raw, no munya wovo. Where not my wa again or what there you. Actually, for me, then I want to. And actually, for me, that the end of the year, or my lad, you are never social media. What better? Eh, my no opinion, I'm a bejo error. No super chatting ya with YouTube, be a benya yasho. Yama do rovie last error. Yama where I know. The time was down. This person was there for me. Anything not retire what music be. Music bag me. Even go. Oh, yeah, like you do Johnny ya. Yeah, Larry, why do you go 1 year? Give your wow. Yeah, wanna bush for me. For me then we're so boy. Man, I'm so boy. Who were so boy? You called him. My for me the man go there in private, but you called that man in private, Monica. You called him in private. Monica Adopolo, you call him in private. Una so boy, and you always so boy. On our rescue, whatever we know, you are happy. We need traditional council be letter my when I was under you, Johnny. On we so no we your born when here. We have seen a lot of these people. I will your born here was senior. Let them spend their money in court. Let them pay lawyer. When you are you see lawyer, don't go near them. They know we no fees lawyer you or baba in your hair, makama. Let them come and be giving you guys updates on social media. Why have you updated you? Don't give them your hard-earned money. Hey, my need support in your gbe yo. In your joy, in your doro last. What's money you want to give them with them? Don't give them your money. Oh. Don't try it. Let them be the one to spend their hard-earned money. Yeah, when you came my beggar no when I hear. The woman you go work, you go come out. You must do woman work for house too, ba? So now so. So use that money to go pay lawyer. Yeah, single lawyer. I pay you. Unu wa mu wa fio. Manu wa we that manu e be lawyer go wa error na. Any nice one. Again any eve ya one. Let them be the one to pay for their oseka. Don't let your money be part of it. That is the only way we can sanitize this social media. Am I lawyer? Let police station, let lawyer, let lawyer office we court in or massive. that we in that yeah you have on a gas on a behavior on the feel with it. A behavior or in or it do change. They will not have a decent topic, decent yeah more decent discussion in social media. Not all in there we have to be a lawyer ne. You have to where I will cut my lovers I trust you now. I trust you. Any time, my lovers, I trust you. All those are my pillar supporters. You know, yeah. I'm me veke aladia wa me wa hiene. Wa ye kwe mu me. Wa ro mi yeke. Una know I trust you now. All those my mamas. I know what you guys can do. Ima lawyer gbon ma wari. Oh no. How a lawyer gbon ya ima. How ba no wo ya re lawyer o ma kan ni position. This is your cross. That wo yari boba rapa ya kuku kinu mo yan I go we mo. Ma understand. Eri agberi am. So if you do any mose wala wo wa gema suffer yesin near comment. That is the only way they will repent. Nobody can repent. Omana suffer yesin ogene. Owe you know wake way or ho hawe. Or what any azen in a do. You know? So waginya suffer you see oginya. Let them spend their hard-earned money in the lawyer not by lawyer not by okay. We want our day in court. Go to court, we'll meet you in court. A lawyer almost who will pay you. And they court it will say lawyer come home, you go near prepare documents where you go near me personally for that court. That court already that day, lawyer will pay. Another court date ya we arrow who have pay we kwa pay come on. Pillar supporter why ye pillar wire do washi. Why ye pillar wire the view washi. Why ye pillar wire do that for washi. Who are those go sekare webo. Cause he go second wari ni yana or jijanya. Or say ni mana if you karate ya with it. They think ya to be a singing ya show a karate off you with it, Batile. Or change. But now, or changing it. Oh, you want changing it. Understand? So, pillar supporter. Ave mamas in the Canada with the Kuro. While I will why a pillow wire the buwashi. The boy of young. Why a pillow wire the buwashi. Why Razigo Seka. Wa dogi and this last day when Ibunuwe supporting ya gbiviere de latiane, ya jojane yane, ya roviane with social media. Ane maniwe supporting ya. So why are you why you seka? Why you why you seka? Ya yiwe ladian do jojanu wa walabu wa sinya let them fight themselves. Just people should be just following their updates in here. That's it. Got nothing to do with you people. Why do you wa? But oseka oriana we need to be so mother that is the only way that is the only correction in take with social media now. I'm telling you we came one court we to be a slate wear or clean, you know, or any maybe no way defending where you touching go where we understand. So I have a problem me give who are the court ya why via pay lawyer. I prove no ya defending a problem mirror. Why va your lawyer ni wa keke wala tia why via zoe why pay or mark time and show. Why I pay? You got nothing to do, people. No sympathy for no any of una this time. Nobody send you now. Nobody they sympathize with you now. Nobody they feel sorry for una. Now wait till una use una mouth talk now una behavior for social media. Warok no boom we error no huomi error. Ma wa do we are this woman. Woman person with the sick. Person no none of them they know the sick. They are looking for money. Let them go and get a loan. Let them pay with their hard-earned money. Okay? Don't pull your dime. Where a lawyer, edi amari lawyer edi nakpa why di igu wajo ma why di igu wayo you want me to of the settle if you listen now if you want me to of the settle you both should withdraw all your support from them. Withdraw all your support. That pillar support, that pillar, one more bottle. Again. One more pillar in bottle. Now, when you have a zero lawyer, let them pay for their lawyer. Why? Yeah, guys, a zero lawyer can be now when ya in a year. If I settlement $1 now. You see why settlement one follow come. One, two of them don't the zero second now. Two of them. And their husband, and then they pay for lawyer, and then they do everything. Make una no donate money, give them. Two of them. Yeah, about zero lawyer. Hey! E can egbe na buenya. E ba na settlement ya lare. Iya ri tu egbe o. Iya ma ri tu egbe. That dog call you. Sister here di won la wa. Sister be ri won la wa. E can settlement ya lala ti ai me samu wana. Okay, anyway, do away. I be a Ghanaian enemy supporter. I be not particular Monica supporter or supporter. Enemy supporter. Oh, yeah, settle with you. Yeah, I feel where yeah, behind them. No, no gunya bully ema, no gunya insult someone, no donate go near. Efo settlement video. Why do you want here? Don't use your social media platform to bully anybody because of any of them. What's in your value? Don't give them your money. We are a real lawyer. Don't try it. What's in your value? Here is a silly pay, whatever money the lawyer really think that is the only way. I'm telling you people. Can you feel where you may move with social media? Near here do is your sagi. Near here brainwash. Near here quality wa. Wa ni ye platform wa gbina ni ya evana. Onu pa wa area account no bu wa la jani ma be ri kojo. O wa. Abi e we na ju meyi an wa why. Why can't no bola jen? Na why am mo na enya sister the platform we don gbinana. I wanna do ga be Esughusughu no one ebe no nya we donate yo ne. Now what for you or for una? No. Nobody go come out and say this una fight don't do make una settle. No. We don't pass that stage. No. We need about record. E can settlement ya Larry yanjina. And a settlement okay Larry when he has singing yanjo. Don't put your €1 or €1. Again. Damo. You know, anybody know you go when that person is a sponsor of saga on social media. Or when you all sponsor a bad behavior here. I would even win a high. Anybody know the bebo here. Anybody know ya mudi and with social media. Man now when you can do one hour watch Jane. Come on you all. I'm telling you guys. I want to nobody should stop. Let two of them carry their cross. Or a bebo in a tinya or a cutting a muyario. Let both of them spend their hard-earned lawyer. And money near here pay the lawyer when you pay to be here. Let it come out from their pocket. Then you are muhio. Then you are mulo. Yeah, it's a salary and you save you to your pay. Oh, let it be so. Let it be so. not bakala then there we are creating GoFundMe. Eh mani go e promote all that bunya ya your Georgia ni ya. Why that one? No. Inya eva, don't give them your money. Inya modo. Or that for my bobo ma boom where. Una head correct. But what they did, they succeeded in trying to divide people. They might feel one robot, this one they decide, this one they decide. Okay, to to invite that sympathy to themselves. Not money to here, right? So I create a idea any one. Here do I they would be able to use you guys to collect money. Yeah, me why go. Uponi ama say we yan say wani emi wa go ne eni ama te de ya we mo ne we udu ari anye can be giving them your money when they get any high you have to fake it until you make it. What kind of crap is that? Don't give them your and foundation raw. They don't have an organization. You understand? How can these two people not bully man on social media? Maybe man yeah bully. Yeah, ever segment are you cutting now? They now want your money to pay lawyer. You are correct. The thing it sound okay for your for or the your way or how did it sound? You know? How did it sound for your ear? How did they sound for your ear? They want to pay for lawyer. They done. Maybe we are doing that kind of my penny. Why do you go 1 year? Yeah, no. Why do you go 1 year? Let them be the one to carry their cross. Amen, sir. Because that is the only way people will learn on social media. Who first sent them? You know? Why do you go in here? I understand. You know, concern me. I have my camera and I send the Europe. You know, 1 year, 1 year, young, 1 year, some year, Bini. So 1 year, some year, a Bini. Ojian feel okay. They don't divide them now, so we can, they can use you guys here to, to extort money on social media. That's sympathy. So while I will do, Ivana, not be social media. Social media are here. Social media are here. Well, again, so you talk be na niya we lad anyway be when they cannot continue such life anymore. You understand? They cannot continue such life anymore. They are tired. Well, when we see social media, you can never get tired. More inspiration, Gary. More idea, Gary. More understand. Oh, Gary. So we insult money. With the Monica, now you are tired. Even we're getting insult you. We are be winning. So you don't do things like that. Whether going correcting about what you stay clear from it. You stay clear from it. My job people worldwide on social media that I'll be following, that have been on social media, that know what is going on, all the things that have been going on social media. I know what has been going on social media. What you guys are fully why we have no here when we are generate here to this stage. Wala wo. A lot of Monica why do you go 1 year? Do a my money make us in what nusun a lot of why do you go 1 year? Me man send you ever. I understand. Mammy when can be sending you ever. Why do you go 1 year? Right? mani ayu no media social media o polinya now ini mai so nya o iya eva wa we na wa salobaro go saloba wona iya eva ni adu akini iya eva o ipo le gbin ahia na so ya ye do lawyer ya ye lawyer o kini ana iya na do no wa go wa ready kobo mini ogwa wa ready ni ruta we wa mana ri go ni ekena na do ayu no va ma gberi ni won ma ojo egbe social media eni ya ora fowoto wa mana ri ge lawyer ni ekena na ladian wa do i mo wa no ma sek no wa ye wiera wo ho ma ekeni atuta yu odo amunya rovie munya jaka e no ri nya gba ata ejin agbe yu nu mu maria ra mo ma kiria deja eni ya ora si yo ve social media we adori ge lawyer ni yan bayan e ba behavior ni efo e ma be ni be gi yan we pata if I don't get problem I go still come out they go still give me money for lawyer cause any carry any money any donate the money carry lolo ubere enia so when I any responsible person oh we are working o we do working o we go you no he on here e kini e vana do with social media if I ni aye to you know oman keke ni we de ba ge lawyer yan or kigo ni yan ya gbin agbe so don't put your money to it ezo ni o salobo no do mo kwezo pon ezo ni e ba igbin na igo ni kigo ni yan need do I ge one era we deba ma understand Emeka good morning I ge one era we deba e va zero lawyer zzzz dove e ma maybe dove yan do ladian do have bi agbon we e case ni fa tell na money we are pay for lawyer the money we are for to do better thing money we are for to do the honor igo ni aya dele single igo ni aya dele olandisi igo ni aya dele bewu igo ni aya dele nenemi igo ni aya di bata igo ni aya o manu we yi on we yi yan we yan zero eme o ina o ma say yan we ni aya type social media o iba ma o ko si me go ni azen ni lawyer evo ya edadore ko mi enwa dadore gbejigbe ore ni afi wo keke si aware yan ware account number wa tugo yo wa tugo yo wa we ri eyo wa tu ejo tomorrow they will still come out ogbonyin me ni iyan fi ewere ubere ni so wa lawo ekesi yan ivana wa ade popcorn wa de pure water de Coca-Cola or anything wa ikotota wa riyan yan give you our update my wa we gbelaje una never go court wait una lawyer come talk when you have your update no wa ma understand so why do you go wa your video that is the only way cause wa do yan vana e me wa read with me as this year also be last year by la cutting like social media last year honest Emi wa races last year by la social media Emi wa races last year ema ni wa mudia kiyan from the way from Ibayela no ya are Ibayela la kiyan ema ni era sobo ni ga wuyo bo ni financial support we ya ya gbe ya yoja ni ya ma understand so don't go there ege wan mu wewe if I no give am supporter you come talk my matter when no do ta or I be bawo oge we be adie be lawyer ge no yeah all we do zugo seka una address someone as well where European Union waje European Union meti kewo no je as far ni go agwo ma understand a lawyer man not meti lawyer with ya me colleague e boya ja no ma address o ge awe o gba no awe yi neat yeah almost so the lawyer ya reply your hema reply oh yeah obi gwale lawyer we pay ni lawyer a lawyer will reply aga zo we you very near so anybody no dey bully on my social media You know, bully on one. Only now in a court case, don't help them out. Or do I kinuna tewe in na matter non severia and wherever muyoto enough. Too much of everything is bad. Will time on my own. All I do me court case. I say can we only go up by Zeyo or Mark Canway. Let that person face it. A dove. I mean, I want to not face a case in here. On a zero need to boy. A dove. They know the tell person. A water my. A water my behavior ni. No care wo. Ma understand. No la wo. If we vana a court case, and you move or a lawyer no. Why do you go near? When you are to be a gigia yazo, when you are to be a do case or here, you might deserve a sympathy or anybody. They don't deserve anyone's sympathy. Oh, in me or that thing they know exactly what they are doing. They know what they are at. Let them face you go near face in face. They cannot become on social media, be brainwash you guys, and you know the turn it over to. Can you imagine the other day, Monica wedding a day content on away from Facebook. Facebook he content on in where? Ha man, the way people the way they are imagine a man following all shock way. Yeah, my no why mashe, and they will allow to a broad daylight. How can you buy my content without my permission? More here anywhere Facebook or monya. I understand. Yeah, Facebook, YouTube, or no your content in or my right over it. Okay, so my lovely people, how can I use my own money that I go out for to work to pay people who are at home doing nothing or bringing problems to themselves? But some people doesn't the reason why they was able to use people's mind. Here now I feel where a Facebook a vag, a master robot with the master no robot with you. You do yeah, they not they kind of they create that in a way they just manipulate people's mind to get that sympathy from them. They might feel well, they don't deserve your sympathy. Oh my God. They might deserve a sympathy or what? They are fooling you people. And yeah, daddy holawa. Yeah, fool what they are account number fewa. I was marriage. Don't put your money there. You go secker. What the hell? What not when you're there? Why give you your money for bullying other people? For what? When you are singing your you can do second. They will. I'm telling you, they will learn. Arrow, varo, narrow, and near you know, any now gabe a lawyer again. Any igba. Oh, any correct. So you man have a topic near carve you to near to type social media. Yeah, press a life. You bully other people, you sit at home insulting people. Wait to tell we are work better and gbiri. A bad lawyer a real do that no bar any medori go yo. After they find trouble finish, then go come Facebook to come they beg for people to help them. Anyway, I'm here watching their hand more followers. At this stage, anybody will start, it doesn't matter. As they don't, they take lawyer. People money no go join the lawyer. Who start them? Who go hand them? Now then sabi nobody send them. Nobody send them. Let them pay these things themselves. That is the only way. Nobody send them. The fact that people will taking their time to even talk about themselves is even is a waste of time. We were using our time to even talk about it. So the reason why I came on live, come on live this morning, be say, is what me come live, be say, let me. Very good advice. They begging money as if I send them trouble. Exactly. They are using their money to shine all these their followers are fools. I'm telling you, as me, I am not a follower of any. Nah, before coming, I can share any video I see. It doesn't mean I am their supporters. I just wait to leave Facebook. Only money, but I understand. So I know. Yeah, but yeah, once they have caused trouble, yeah, I see everything. They use their hand to draw wahala. And they want people know add them and you are responsible. They are when I go say when 3 days, 4 days, 5 days a week. On nonsense. For what? For what? So the thing is this, people. If you really want people to learn in a hard way, this is the time to actually ignore these two women. Let them fight themselves to number rubbish. Okay? And let them be the one to spend their hard-earned money. Their money on this case. Don't be part of it. Don't add your money to it. And in fact, anybody that you have seen on social media where although bully man, although Joja man, although tell you no you're being on one no Jojana, even men of a good wagwana mena, many your titi nele kiba. Gay, I wanna the be cut gume, we buy your hoge. Ebe cut ni or gina the reason I had a gumeno. In all that they don't know why I go lawyer, wageri me. Wageri me, that is my what exactly where I'm driving at. Don't anybody when the Monica Lolo you don't know why don't give them your money. You must be stupid to do that. It's when you give them money, it's like you are giving them oxygen. You are giving them that oxygen to continue what they are doing. I am near where you not buy. Me that's why I rove ye with social media. We that's why I go me at home. And my FFF ni was supporting and go and we can near my bella them social media ma rove yero. No ma no rove no ma na do jojani nero. Oh where na ko na pianfante. Na ko di gbeyin. E na si gbewo. Ona si gbewo. When I see the one on social media, I see but when only we like yeah but do I sort of me. O ma be da we a. E no ko na be a or e no be na be ya. E no ko na do ya tayo go me no ma o no be na do ya tayo go me no ma. O e ni aso be na we go in wow whatever. No consideration. They don't deserve your sympathy. They not fit do na anything. Now social media they are power day. Now they feel say they are power day. After social media they are powerless, my dear. But that's why you party na. Abi? So no wahala. So your behavior on social media, continue it. You are mwe mu jama na meti repeat you no time gbe me na me wa. Ya swear you are con ya kwanu you bo. Ma understand? So igbe ni get wa amu no wahala. One day we go jam. Ma understand when na. So onu ya we pay show wa we de ko you go no wa carry your bo. Carry your bogbe. Iba woni na e ba de ko we Nigeria no oni on wefo. We bo na hana e police na hana we prove in Nigeria. Oni on wefo. Oni on we ofo you go no mother car you are in trouble. Carry your money bo. who carry on. In fact, we are going. We are making only be patient karate. The last year, no, a month. I want you so every month. I want you every month. You know, I ask where. Why do you go near do you so buy? Away neat. Yeah, go ah. Yeah, you're going to zo too. You are go neat daddy. I do it. Mana me anything wa tishema emi agbo. I like the event video. There are special things na mujo na mamae. You know all those your logo anu o. No sistema o ya order for video de ko enya. Ya order for mo gbogbe Monica. Wo ya yo jo yan ya we pesho. Can you imagine? You go ni we give you enya. We give you na emi of egbe noro. Amo gbogbo we are again one ya. I can one another de kwegbe yan agbo. Man, what do you think is going to happen while they could be? Those are the pending fight. The fight, you know, what pending or it's pending or what they call up. When on this side, a big fight, a big bin all pending, all pending. What's up? All river, all yoga here. You know, so now I get your born. I don't see any problem. I get me. Yeah, tie. Or no one like a piece of I like my peace of mind. It's been a while, it's been another lawa. But it's just good to give yourself peace of mind. There's no need for you go na here. You not have peace. Who are you trying to impress? Umioenia. No we are doing some wala wo. Ara no okay social media na. Ni ma aladia ni ado atemi no gba ni edo aba ma woge ni edo ajoja no ma gbu anyhow egbe oge lolo mu ni kede na segbe na yan agwali ge koto ire lawyer wa ready ni yan eva won do o fun yan ma bobo ma bun we lolo mu ni ka ma bobo ma bun we o wo gi on social media o wo gi ekino de social media ma understand when you get lawyer re na wala bu wa gi yan zo yan mi boya si go lawyer. Why do you go 1 year? Let them be the one to spend the money. Let them be the one to spend the money. No we are doing some. Anybody. No, you like them with social media. Oh, hala. Okay, I saw that out lesson. Anyway, so I know we are doing some. Anybody, anybody know bully on social media. Only night they pay a lawyer gear or a bay court gear. Only night like them social media is so like we and Gualigo, where you go ne. Like your money more cross a boy. Even when we go on, anybody, where you go no money. That is the only way the man can do ya anyesi. The man here, yes, we so my young baby ladia. Our enemy do enemy, my approval. But I have when I get it when I act born. When this person, you know, was alleged. I allege you, allege no, because we can't prove it. My mama was going pra. You better any. So, no. Now we have to, social media now. We have to start these two people. Social media has one thing. So people should leave them alone. Let them fight their fight and carry their cross. Let them spend money for their lawyer. Let them be the one to face their case. It got absolutely nothing to do with you. Don't give them your money. Do not give them your money. No, don't rather them any support rock. Any support rock, but Wagia to be on face. To be on face. Then we learn something from it. Correct. The behavior have with social media. I'm telling you people. But when you start giving them money, it's like you are encouraging their bad behaviors. Anything. Mulolo Monica back one. no you bully on one or don't face a court case very anana. But you want to cross the boy or you're doing so why I always say. Let me get on with my money. It's coming around 7:30. They kept their money for they kept their money. They find other people own to use for their mess. Can you imagine? Who said the message go stupid? Okay. What if they pay me be say their mumu follower no go here? No, some of their followers they think say now two fashion na they Facebook. Oh. No, our you know that kind of when you think say person they follow you fight, you want fight, you say you want win. When you don't realize say nobody they fight you. Nobody they fight you. If you dey wrong, you think say somebody dey pursue. When you come and say, I want to buy the equipment, then you have to, your step will constantly change. Then it's time for them to rethink. And say, okay, what is all this nonsense all about? Now me come to give you money for lawyer for what? I send you message. You know. So good morning, Nana and after the fight. So that's it, my people. Thank you everyone for listening to me this morning. Yes, people. Don't donate for anybody. I donate in here. But not be saying you no go donate for them. Don't donate to any one of them. Don't donate for any one of them. Utakpa munya eva. I donate in here. Eva. Don't do that. Don't do that. Utakpa munya eva. You understand? That utakpa munya eva. Since last year, near Yagwezoni, by now I'm young power no gile where this one. Only what you be or what change the topic altogether, or what you branded a page of it. As in that person will just a character money, mione. Awe de wana yo gile wa iha. You must almost a difference in what mu igbe. But to those say na udo we don't bad one shoes on no a character no. So igbe problem now don't. I donate where I go give this or not give any of them. Make sure they use their money. So I want to go through a few comments and if I may ask, all these people supported them paying for their shit. Oh God, come and just disappear. Okay, pay for their mess. Are people fools? Can't you people see that these women are dividing social media? Yeah. I'm telling you, that is it. The only way is a divide and conquer. The only way they can actually, invite sympathy for themselves. Now, I want to divide people first. Divide them. You see them? Aha. You go divide them. When they don't succeed, they don't divide you and finish. They'll come make us say the other side they fight me. You see, and the other side they fight me. They say, Mary court, take and go court, lawyer. No worry, mama. We dey here. How much be lawyer? We go donate. Okay. We don't find lawyer. They made that they come create group. As in inner caucus group. If we don't find lawyer say na £2,500. So maybe lawyer only have 500. £2,500. It was £2,000 on day and when we have a maybe I'm a motor near high kero ade I kwa cookie go to lawyer don't write letter. Hey, my people now thank you all of you will support me for my lawyer. You know, thank you. Lawyer don't write down. Okay. Lawyer say you go write another one. My people say that £1,500. So yeah. What are they crazy? What you do in head? Let me spend the money by himself. It's just they use in head, they make money anyhow for social media. For this kind of thing. No, don't do that. Don't spend your money in such rubbish. Okay? Don't spend your money. Make them pay the money themselves. any of them we ask for donation, muna no give them una money. Whether they ask for donation for inside their group where they do, they no contact am for social media, or they contact am for social media, or any of them, una no give them, una add them money. Let them carry them cross themselves. They crossed by themselves. That is the only way they will learn. You understand? We don't say, "Oro panegiya iba oge ero." Oro panegiya idumula social media dojujana ero. So when you to be, I'm your buyers up when you to be, we cross. I agree. On I so we know the quarrel, but matter no raw kuku do medo it deliver we na ruta we if you're doing no some ara own a piece like social media na anybody know you know error ho in a lab wo no you know invite say a problem gegbe a problem na a problem ni rare get to boy mo or to boy mo of a learning lesson ni e do we you boy we invite a problem gegbe wa ya wa wese